think I saw him buck. He ran out in the oaks, so. Oh, yes. Finally. Right.
So here we go. Franklin is ready to go see if Aunt Lisa got her buck. We heard a shot a little while ago and she says she's got it, so. Franklin's first buck tracking job.
I want to track it. I already see him laying there.
Do you really? Yes. Nice.
Oh,
congratulations.
Yeah.
Let's still track him a little bit.
Track him, I know. I was like, am I really going to go look for blood? I saw him run through here, so I'm just going to come look up here and see what happens.
We'll see if Franklin can find him.
Franklin, where's the deer? Can you sniff him out?
So what happened, Lisa?
Oh, so he came in from here, right where he went back. He came walking straight towards me.
Okay.
Down this lane. And I was like, all right, I can't get a shot on him. He's straight at me. Like, I'm not going to do that. And he came up probably 40 yards away from me, stepped into the brush in the woods there, and was working a scrape for a little bit. Took a couple more.
There? He was way up there?
He was way up there. I probably could have shot him with my bow. He was way up there.
Nice.
And so he was in those bushes and stuff for a little bit, licking and stuff. And so I moved my gun over. I'm thinking he's going to come out the other side. And he turns around and starts walking back this way. And I was like, oh no, he's just going to take the same path he just took, because he looked like he was going to start walking that way. And nope, he stepped out right in front of me, broadside. Kind of kept walking, so I gave him a little meh, stopped, and
Nice. Let's go find him.
When you shot him.
40, 45 yards maybe.
Come on, Franklin. Let's go find him.
What are you doing? You gotta come look for the deer.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tough tracking job here, Lisa?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, he didn't go far, did he?
Nope.
All right. Ooh, I see outside the ears maybe. All right. Look at that. Nice buck, Lisa. Congratulations.
That's awesome.
Isn't that awesome?
Thank you. Yeah. Not too bad. Finally.
What is he? Yeah, how many is he?
8.
8. Nice. And we didn't even know this one was out here, did
No,
we?
I've never seen this one.
Yep. All right.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Woo!
Whew.